guys, I lost you. Oh, I must have hit the button. Darn it. I'm sorry. So, I don't know how much I got or how much I missed or if I recorded it all, but I'm getting my base coat down, so you didn't miss too much. This is a 24 by 30 canvas, Artist Loft Gallery wrapped, and it is sprayed, taped, and I've got my furniture levelers on it. It's very level. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I'm gonna make sure everything stays out of the way here. All right, I think I've got enough off. I don't see any rivers running down. Do you? Nope, I don't think so. One thing about these levelers, these furniture levelers, is sometimes they move on you, so you gotta be careful. All right, my hands a little drier. Okay, I don't have to really worry about my corners right now. All right, so I'm gonna start with the lighter colors and go to dark. And literally, I'm going to pour it on. A lot of color, I know, right? This is lovely. Oh my God, this color is just, it's all going down on it. And then the purple. All right, I have just a little bit of the quinacridone left. I don't really need it because because I said so. I'm going to kind of swirl this around, get a lot of paint off of it. Look at it react already, eh? Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Wow, running out of room here. All right, I'm just going to swirl it around. Off the corners, swish it around here. And then the miracle will start. Oh, it's kind of like not a dump and swirl, but yeah, I guess it's a dump and swirl. It's exactly what we did. We dumped it and we swirled it. Now I'm going to bring it over this corner because it's missing a color that doesn't have corner or color. And I need to move it this way anyway because this is heavy. Move, move, move. Oh, there's a cord getting stuck in. Well, I'm making some enhancements already. Yeah, that little cord up there is making, I think it might be a microphone cord, which hell, I hardly use. All right, now I'm gonna bring it back this way. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. There's no cells happening over here, so I'm going to tip it this way. The more you stretch, the more you get. All right, I'm going to leave it like that and see what we get. I don't really think I tilted this corner too much though. Let me try. I think I got it off the corner. Try and get it off the corner then, Michelle. Oh, there goes my armpit again. Painting your armpits, 101. think I'm gonna have to go into the pool after this. Ah! It's not going. All right, we'll just have to see what happens with it. All right, it's gonna get eaten up a lot, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now and let it do its thing. And I'll put you on time lapse. Now, do I want to put you on fast time lapse or slow time lapse? I think I'm going to put you on fast time lapse because I don't think I'm going to be doing any enhancing to this. I'm going to let it do its thing. Although I say that now, I know you all know me, unless you're new. And if you're new, welcome. All right, my edges look good. All right, I'm going to put you on time lapse. I'll be back. Now guys, this is a little disappointing. I mean, not as far as pearls are concerned, but I was hoping more color would come up, especially that Australian red violet. But there's some interest here, and I did pull some lines through here because I don't know, I just thought that there wasn't enough color, and I had a little boo-boo there that I tried to fix. So, but I'm not sure about these lines in here. I might even just swipe it now, but I've better hurry since it might be setting up. But yeah, it was an experiment. I love this. That is so cool. And then there's the little bit of Australian red violet that came through. But I don't know. It's very beige. Very neutral. It's very neutral. And there is just like so many cells and lacing here that, I mean, it's really super crowded. They're crowding each other. So, let me know what you think. It might look different in the morning, especially if I swipe that middle part again. But please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. Yeah, I swiped it again. I like it a lot better now. So, yeah. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. Hopefully some colors will come up. But I'm not expecting it. It might be a pour over. It might not. I'm not sure. Thanks again for being here. Ciao for now. All right, guys. This is the dried result. Let me know what you think. It's kind of cool. I like how the pearls kind of went that way. And I like this corner because it's got all that gold in it. And I'm glad I re-swiped this. It's very cool. But it's so not me. It's very beige. Very neutral. So this is the dried result. Do I keep it or do I scrape it? Let me know.